what we're going to do is to move these glass, set it to the inside of the walls a little bit, just like how these glasses are over there on the clear story. The glass is kind of set inside a little bit, right? We're going to do the same thing with this thing. So what we're going to do is to select one of the object. Well, actually, let's not select it first. Let's do the command offset surface. So offset surface, offset surf. And for the pull down, it's of course in the surface because it is a surface that we're trying to change. And if we come all the way down towards the bottom here, it says offset surface. So on the pull down menu, there is the offset surface command in there. Also in the tab, in the tool tabs, it should be in the standard tool tab. And if we cascade, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this is like the surface stuff. And I think we might have done this already, but offset surface is this little two radial pieces right there. That's the offset surface. Also, it should be in the surface tool as well. So if we look for that symbol, probably it should be on the top, huh? There it is, offset surface. Okay, so either one of those ways would get you to the same thing. So what we're going to do is just select that offset surface command. So when we read the command prompt, it says select surface or polysurface to offset. Let me offset this guy right here, and then select this. Oh, select pod. So we selected one, and what it's asking is, do you want to select any more stuff? So if I say, no, that's the only one that I want to select. So I'll say enter, and notice that there's these arrows over here. Notice that all these options appear. Okay. This is asking me how do you want to offset this object. What I'm going to do is to set the distance. Since this is a 9-foot wall, I could set it back. Let's set it back 3 inches. So type in 3. If you want to put the inch mark, that's fine. You don't have to because we should have set our basic unit to inches, so the default would be in inches. Enter, and that distance has changed to 3. Next time you use this command, this distance will already be to 3. Okay, if you want to change it to some other distance, you're going to have to come here and change the distance again. Corner, rounded. We probably want the corner to be sharp. Rounded corner means that it could get, it might have a radius to it. Okay, and this doesn't matter right now. I'll show you what it'll do when we do this other object. Solid, we'll put no. If we put solid yes, that is going to create an extrusion. So we'll put this as no. Loose, no. Tolerance, we'll keep as that. Both sides, no. And then flip all. If we click on this, notice that the arrow swings the other way, right? And so that is all of the options that I want to change. So if I say enter, notice that there is a little line right there. Let's go into the ghosted view. If you do that, you'll see that we made a new plane that is a copy of the plane up above. So if we select that surface up above, you could delete it, and there is that new surface right there. Okay, let's do the same with this window off the side. So surface, offset surface, select the object, enter, and notice that all of the settings stayed the same as previous. We'll flip it because we want to flip to the inside, and then enter. Okay, and then we have 2 sets of object right there, so let's get rid of the first one, and let's do the same thing with this next one over here. Okay, so go ahead and go do the offset command.